Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, welcome back to the next lecture. So we were done with 4 exercises. Now it's the time for exercise 3E. And the question number 1 is, list the first 5 multiples of the following numbers. So it means we have to write the first 5 multiples of these numbers. And the first part is 6. Students, the first 5 multiples means I have to read the table of 6, or I have to write the table of 6 up to 5. For example, like this. It's first 5 multiples of 6. It will be 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, and 6 fives are 30. Therefore, first 5 multiples are this: 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30. In the same way, the first 5 multiples of 7 will be 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, and 7 fives are 35. I hope this question is clear. Now question number 2 is, list the multiples of each pair and find the LCM. So students, what we have to do, we have been given here 2 parts, 2 numbers in one part. I have to write the multiples of 4 separately and the multiples of 20 separately. Then I have to find the least common multiple. Okay, so let's see how is it done. The multiples of 4, I'll start the table from 1 only. I'll write 4 ones are multiples of 4. Okay, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24. Okay, now the multiples of 20, 21s are 20, 22s are 40, 23s are 30, 24s are 40, 25s are 100. Okay students, but there is one thing, we don't know that how many multiples we are supposed to write, right? हमें पता नहीं है हमें कहाँ तक लिखना है. Just I had this clue कि 4 के टेबल में 20 आ जाता है और 21s आर भी 20 है. So I'll stop here. Otherwise मुझे तो ये पूरा 10 तक I think करना था, in order to find a common least common number जो इन दोनों के मल्टीपल में आ जाए. तब तक मुझे ये क्वेश्चन को करते जाना है. ओके, सो as I found this, I could have written here only 2 numbers because मुझे least common चाहिए, वो मुझे यहाँ से 20 मिल गया. Then I'll stop here. So therefore LCM will be this 20. Now the second part is 16 and 64. Then the multiples of 16, 16, 32, 3 are 48, 16, 4 are 64, and the multiples of 64. 64 ones are 64, right? अब मुझे यहाँ पे पता चल गया कि मेरा 64 आ गया है और यहाँ पे भी 64 ones are 64 होगा. That's why only I have stopped here. तो मुझे पता था ये मेरा कॉमन एक नंबर आ जाने वाला है और मुझे सबसे लीस्ट कॉमन ही चाहिए. सो जैसे ये 64 आ गया तो मैंने बस 2 और लिख लिए. अगर मैं सिर्फ एक भी लिखती, दैट वुड हैव ऑलवेज ऑल्सो बी ओके. सो द एलसीएम हियर विल बी 64. Now the question number 3 is, find the LCM using prime factorization. Students, prime factorization, the definition is same as I have told you in the HCF part. So what I'll do, we have to find the prime factorization of 72 and 90. So what I'll do, I'll write the prime factorization of 72 here and the prime factorization of 90 here. I hope you know how to find out the prime factorization now. So the factors of 72 are these and the factors of 90 are these. So what I'll do now, I'll find a number which is common to both. For example, this 2 is common in both. So I'll just place a dotted circle so that for clarification, for the highlighting purpose. And see, this 3 is here and it's also here. So 1 more here, and this 3 and 3, 1 more here. So what I have to do in LCM, if it would have been to find out the HCF, what I would have done, I would have just multiply these, right? क्योंकि कॉमन फैक्टर्स आ गए, आई हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस, तो ये HCF हो जाता. बट आई हैव टू फाइंड द LCM. सो हाउ दैट विल बी डन, जो कॉमन है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस 2, 3, 3 जो दोनों में कॉमन है, आई हैव टू राइट देम ओनली वंस. इनकी जगह मैंने एक टूल हो गया, दैट्स इट. इन 3 की जगह पे एक 3 और इन 3 की जगह पे एक 3. फाइन. सो द रिमेनिंग आर 2, 2 and 5 एंड हैव टू राइट दोज 2 to 5 ऑल्सो. इनको भूल नहीं जाना है, इनको भूलना है हमें HCF में, बट नॉट इन LCM, राइट? अगर HCF होता तो मेरा आंसर बस यहाँ तक आ जाता, बट इट इज द LCM, सो आई हैव टू राइट द रिमेनिंग नंबर्स विच आर नॉट कॉमन. ओके, सो द LCM विल बी 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 2 are 36, 36 into 2 is 72, 72 into 5 is 360. I hope it's clear. Now it's time for the next part. It's 16, 30 and 42. So how it will be done now? Prime factorization separately निकाल लिया, इनके factors लिख लिए. Now I have to find the common numbers. The common may be in 2 numbers or in 3. For example, इसमें 3 सिर्फ 2 में common है and this 2 is common in all the 3. So मुझे 2 वाले भी common भी choose करने हैं और 3 वाले भी. So for LCM जो common है उनको एक बार लिखा, 2 इसका एक 2, इस 3 का ओनली 1 3, और जो बाकी के रिमेनिंग है वो लिख देने हैं. फाइन. एंड आई हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई देम. 2 3 आर 6, 6 2 18, ऐसे जस्ट लाइक दैट. तो मेरा आंसर आ जाएगा 1680. आई होप इट्स क्लियर टू एवरीवन. नाउ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज फाइंड द एलसीएम ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नंबर्स बाय कॉमन डिवीजन मेथड. What is the common division, students? I have to find the common division like this. जैसे मैंने HCF में करा था, just like that. The part is 40, 80, 120 and 160. So I'll start the table. 2 से देखूंगी आ जाएगा, फिर 2 से. But in the HCF there was one case that I have to find those numbers जो तीनों से हो जाए, right? But in this case I have to find those numbers जो at least किसी भी एक से हो जाए. For example, if I'll tell you, wait, just यहाँ पे, ठीक है, 5, 5, 15 and 10. फाइन. अब जो ये 2 है ये तो सिर्फ 10 के टेबल में आएगा ना. ओनली 2 5s आर 10, रिमेनिंग में नहीं आएगा. सो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल राइट दैट ऑल्सो, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा नंबर चाहिए जो एटलीस्ट एक में आए. फाइन. सो इट्स 220, 240, 2, बस ऐसे से करते रहना है till this 1 1 1 1 is obtained. जहां पे ये 1 1 आएगा, I have, that's my question is finished at that point. Okay, so how I will find the LCM now? I'll multiply them. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, so now for the next part is 30, 48 and 120. So I'll do, so what I'll do now, I'll just start to see कौन से numbers में किसके factors आ रहे हैं. 215 are 30, 224 is 48, 260 is 120. then this 15, yes, one more thing. ऐसे if I have a number जो किसी टेबल में ना आए, for example I have written here 2, क्योंकि 24 को भी कर लेगा कैंसिल और 60 को भी 30 बना लेगा, but it won't come in the table of, it won't be able, it's not a factor of 15. so what I'll do here, जो किसी के नहीं आ रहा है, I have to write that number as it is. fine. से 215 से नहीं होएगा तो 15 को मुझे नीचे लिखेंगे नॉर्मली, जस्ट लाइक हेयर. जैसे कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे भी था 2 5 नहीं आ रहा 5, तो बस सीधा लिख देना है. तो फिर 215 ऐसे लिख देंगे, 2 3 आर 6 और 215 ऐसे ही. फिर 3 5 आर 15, 3 1 आर 3, 3 5 आर 15, 5 1 आर 5, 5 1 का 1 ही आ जाएगा, एंड 5 1 आर 5. सो द LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. That's it. That's all for today. We have learnt about the LCM by common factors, by prime factorization and by common division method. I hope it's clear to everyone.